Hello everyone, as promised to one of my viewers, here is a polygel kit unboxing and tutorial video. I got my package from Amazon, which I will be leaving the link down below. I got a nail buffer, nail file, 1 ounce of slip solution, a base coat, top coat, dual-headed tool nail brush, had to crack the brush open. 4 tubes of polygel, consisting of pure, ombre, pink, beige, white, and nude. Pieces of nail forms in 12 different sizes, alcohol pads, and as well with this user manual. Here I have my Ultra Bond primer. I set that to dry and then I used the base coat. I cured it for 120 seconds on my UV lamp. I already had my labels on my nail forms ahead of time and also measured them out to my nail shape. I used slip solution, I poured it on my damp dish. Took out one of each of my sizes. You have to make sure that it covers the edge and not overload them. Gotta find the right size for your nails. Now I'm going to be using the nude color. I've worked with polygel before and I like to put a bit of slip solution first and then the gel inside the form. Now we shape, make sure you get the edges, we can't forget about them. Now that you have it formed, place it on your nail and cure it for 120 seconds on lamp. So this is how the first nail came out to be. The arch is perfect and beautiful. I was being extra careful because I'm not sure if it was cured all the way. I like to cure it again just to make sure it's fully cured. This video might be a bit choppy. I lost some footage of my nails, but I'm working with what I have. I apologize for that. I use a nail cutter to just have them evened out for now, but I continue with the rest of my nails. Now I'm going to be using my top coat and curing that for 120 seconds in my lamp. My middle finger came out a bit wonky, but it turned out beautiful at the end. It's all about shaping them down. Using an alcohol wipe to wipe them down as well with the stickiness. style and shape. Finally, my favorite part. Here we have the final results. I'm going to be finishing this beautiful set with cuticle oil. And here you have a set of polygel nails. Hope you guys stay safe and healthy. And before I go, I want to give a huge shout out to